Hi, my name is Olivier. I'm a marketing manager at EXFO, and today we're going to present you the fiber to the antenna and remote radio head solution, which combine basically OTDR optical testing with fiber inspection and also the CPRI test functionality. So one of the main challenges we've seen in this type of application is that the people working at installing and maintaining those networks come usually from a RF and copper background, and actually this means that they are sometimes new to fiber testing, so it involves a lot of training and a lot of also mistakes that are happening basically in the installation and maintenance of those networks. The cost of sending a tower climber up to the tower to do the job is quite significant, so operators cannot also afford to do the job a second time. So really with our solution, the goal is to prevent as much as possible the tower climbs and ensure that we can do that in a one-time visit and actually prove with a certificate that the installation has been done properly from the get-go, and that if any issues is occurring in terms of the physical layer or CPRI or even at the remote radio head level, we're going to be able to know it from a first sight and ensure that actually we're not going to have to send someone else to do the job again. So the first part of the solution is inspecting the connectors. So really all the tower climber have to do is to take the new FIP 435B wireless fiber inspection probe and actually climb up to the tower to inspect the connector at the remote radio head and also the SFP connectors to ensure that it's flawless and free of any contaminants. So actually this is a fully automated inspection solution. So the only thing you have to do is to actually connect the fiber to the end face, and the probe will do the inspection by itself automatically. Once you have the result, you will see the light pops on the fiber inspection probe to see if it's a fail, you will have a red result. If it's a pass, you will have a green result. And once you have this, that means that it's a product which is compatible with an Android device, and actually you can leave your cell phone in your pocket and only look and rely on the LED that's actually on the unit itself. So once you have completed the fiber inspection at the top of the tower, you can install the fiber loop and actually ask the expert technician, which will remain at the bottom of the tower with the expert tool, to actually do the testing with the OTDR. So that way it will characterize the full link from A to B and B to A. And actually, in one acquisition with our IOLM, you're going to be able to have a full certification of your fiber link and full connectivity results. Once this is certified and you have a green acceptance result, that means that you're ready to do the CPRI testing. So in terms of validating the work, once the connector is connected to the SFP, you're going to be able to start the test with the same unit, but connect it in the SFP of the transport test module to start your test and actually connect and see if the remote radio head is both syncing, if you have the good data rate, and if there is any issue, you will know from the first sight. So the good thing with the solution is that it's a unified solution. Only one tech will have to climb up the tower to do the physical installation with only one tool, which is the fiber inspection probe, and his phone is in his pocket. The benefits of this solution is that first, it's a unified tool with inspection, IOLM and CPRI testing all in one unit. Even if your base station is not connected, that means you can do the CPR test even if the base station is remotely installed. So let's say in a CRAN application where the base station is, let's say, 10, 20, up to 40 kilometers away from the tower. So you can do that in only one visit and actually certify that your full installation is done properly as per the standards. So actually with one visit you can do the whole thing together.